Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to set a nickname for a friend in Pokémon GO. Customizing your friend list with nicknames can help you keep track of who's who, especially if you have many friends in Pokémon GO. So in order to do that, open up the Pokémon GO application on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on your trainer profile avatar at the bottom left. Now click on the Friends tab at the top of the screen to get to your friends list. Go ahead and scroll through your list and select the friend you want to nickname. After selecting the friend's profile, go ahead and scroll down and click on Set Nickname. Write down a nickname for your friend and click on OK. Your friend will now appear with the nickname you've set. This is only visible to you, not to them. It is a great way to stay organized, especially for coordinating trades, gifts, and raids. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.